Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some tacos and I'll be using my Presto electric skillet. Okay, I got 1 pound each. I got 1 pounds of lean ground beef. It's been sitting out to get room temperature, and then one of my daughters showed up. So we visited for a while. Anyway, I usually use the packets of taco seasoning, but I bought this. So I'll be using this. I'll be using these stand and stuff taco shells. I ain't got no lettuce and all that, but I got cheese. I got cheese and I got some sauce to put on my tacos, and that's still gonna be good eating. And I'll be putting chicken broth in my taco mix after I season it. Alright, let's get started. Let me lower this. So this is the electric skillet by Presto. Okay. Let me smell this, make sure it's fresh. Yep. I don't have my usual bag that I keep for garbage. This usually has a corner that you can peel to open it easily, but I can't find it right now. Oops. It smells okay. Sometimes I debate whether I'm going to make nachos or tacos. I like nachos better, but I'm making tacos today. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to get me a trash bag. Okay, turn it on. I always turn it on to 300. I'm turning it on to 350. You'll hear it sizzle in a few seconds. I use this thing when the meat is almost done. It's the hamburger breaker up thingamajig. If I were to put it in this raw meat now, the meat would be stuck all in here. So we'll open the stuff. You know, I got to tear up the whole box. Hope they're not cracked. And I don't season my meat until after it's done. Look how big they look on the box. The taco shells. Look at these things. These little video things. Okay, when the meat is done, I'll be back. Okay, I bought this little thing, taco holder from Walmart a while ago. It was really, really cheap. So you turn it this way, it'll hold 2 tacos. Turn it this way, it'll hold 3. So put some taco shells in here and warm this in the microwave. I'll put to this little black tray that we get barbecue in. When we go to All Out Smoke Pit, that's what they give us our ribs in. Check on this. I haven't seasoned anything yet. And this has more grease in it than I expected, so I'm going to have to sop it out. I don't want all this grease. This meat was 85 $15. Turn this out, I didn't forget about it. I don't have the, what you call it, turkey baster thing to siphon it out, so I get it out with paper towels. I'm filming. So I'm getting the grease out. One more. Ouch. It popped me. Alright. Now I'm going to break it up with this. Turn this down. Excuse me for reaching in front of y'all. I don't want these big chunks in my taco. Okay. That's good. Now I'm going to season it. You know what? I'm used to using the packets. So I'm going to use these packets up. There's 2 packets of seasoning mix. So if I got them here, I'll keep them in the fridge. Taco. Supposed to use 1 pack of seasoning per pound of meat. Taco, 2 different brands. Where the liquid comes in. I'm going to mix the seasoning. now it's starting to smell good. That's the seasoning. I usually got some picante sauce or some salsa here, but I don't. But I got this taco sauce. Put my liquid in here and let it reduce. And I prefer hard taco shells over the tortilla, like crispy. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, let that cook. And the seasonings get all up in that meat. Down a little. I'll be back when I'm dishing up my tacos. And I don't have no fries or nothing to go with it. I just want tacos. Cheese. Don't have no vegetables, no nothing else. But I'm going to enjoy my tacos. I'll be back. Okay, it's done. And turn it off. Unplug it. And I already put cheese in the bottom of the taco shell. That's where I do mine. Put it on the bottom and the top. So that hot meat will melt this. I have a slotted spoon. Fill up these shells so I don't have to come back. Okay, nice full of shells. Cheese on top of that hot meat. This is my medium cheddar. I usually have the shredded Mexican cheese. It has mozzarella and cheddar. This is what I had. Okay, that's good. Now for this hot taco sauce. It's thick and smooth, but I like it chunky also. Y'all see what I'm doing? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bite this in front of y'all. And I already know I ain't got all the stuff on it that's supposed to be on a taco, but it's still a taco. I'm going to enjoy it. I'll work with what I got. Alright. There's my tacos. I'll take some meat. I ain't going to pick up no taco and bite it. See how the meat tastes. It's like taco meat. Let me see. It's just gonna go everywhere. I'm gonna put some jalapenos on here. This is good. I didn't do no thumbnail. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And this is Vlogmas. What day is this? 15th. Vlogmas day 15. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Bon appetit.